Hello guys, welcome to O2 Tips, your premier channel for all latest football news. And here guys, today we are going to show you how we built O2 Tips from the ground up, one feature at a time, guys. So today we are going to show you how we did what? Let's show you how we did server-side rendering, guys. Let's show you how we did server-side rendering. Yeah, so this was the initial write-up for the project. This is an ALX Africa project, actually. The final project 2 months ago. Yeah, code 13. Yeah, initially code 9. Yeah, for sure. Shout out to ALX Africa. So we're going to let me just show you how like, let's say let's use localhost. Actually, let's just run it on localhost. Localhost. Is it localhost? Yeah. Localhost is up. So as you can see, when we refresh, the data will be on the page as soon as the page is displayed, as in you cannot even notice the difference. This is because of server-side rendering. Yeah, and this is how we achieved server-side rendering. Show you an example. Let's go to the front end page, home page. Here's the home page. So I want to access the random game data. This is the one. Let's access this one. Then, as we can see here, we are using async. Our component is using asynchronous code. As you can see now, we can call and await on this one, fetch random game data, which you are getting from the football.ts file here, guys. Football.ts. Here, fetch random game data. Yeah, here it is. So as you can see, here is a function we are using to fetch data from our backend. Here is our backend. Right here, guys, here is our backend. We are fetching data using this function. So as you can see, it's also an asynchronous function. This is the goodness of JavaScript. Yeah. So let's see the difference between server-side rendering and client-side rendering. Here we go. Let's move this to see this clearly. Yes. So let's just stop using this one. This one, we are sorry games, you're not fetching it. And let's use Axios. Let's import Axios. Import Axios, guys. Import Axios. Yes. We're importing Axios. First, let's make this a client-side component by just adding here. Use client. Use client. Why are you writing this way? Use client. Yeah. Let's import these hooks. Use effect and use that hooks. Okay. So we want to fetch game data from. We're going to use this endpoint. This one from our backend. So our backend is localhost 888. It's this one running here. Okay, let me see. Yeah, our backend is running on 888. Yeah. So Let's just call that here. Remove this in Chronos. Yeah, Copilot is helping us out here. Whoa. So guys, right now we are fetching data from the client side, and let's just run it. Let's run it. You can see the difference now, guys. You can see the difference. Now the data is fetched afterwards. You see? Yeah, so that's the difference between client-side rendering and server-side rendering. That's one of the things I've had to work on all the pages to change. I'd first implemented this other method, the client-side. It is not good. Even the Google adverts, they wanted me to do the server-side rendering first for them to approve and all that. Yeah, so even when the web crawlers scroll, they cannot find the data if you are using client rendering. So it's good practice to use server-side rendering. And me, I'm using here server-side rendering in AppRouter. I'll be doing more of this, guys. We're going through the features we've implemented in our app. Yes, it right now it's pushing data to Twitter through our robots, which I'll show you. Yeah, I'll show you a lot more things. So just guys, stay tuned. Thank you guys. Thank you.